Grade 5 kids. I hope you people are doing well. I Tanya welcome you all in my EVS class. Kids, as if we were doing our chapter Mangoes Round the Year, so we are done with the chapter, and today I would like to discuss all the question answers of this chapter. But one thing I would like to make here clear that you have to do all the questions of this chapter in notebook only. आपको इस चैप्टर के सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नोटबुक में ही करने हैं. Your first question is how did Aman know that the potato sabzi had got spoiled? आपको अमन को कैसे पता चला कि potato सब्जी spoil हो चुकी? When Neetu opened up her lunch box, some bad smell came out. Aman knew that the potato sabzi had got spoiled by its bad smell. तो अमन को उसकी bad smell से पता चला कि वो सब्जी it has got spoiled. Have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? How did you know that it was spoiled? So you can write its answer according to you. Then third is Preeti told Neetu not to eat potato sabzi. What would have happened if she had eaten it? अगर वो उसे खा लेती तो क्या हो जाता? If Neetu had eaten the spoiled sabzi, she might have fallen ill. वो बीमार हो जाती. It could have led to vomiting and intestinal disorders, or in severe cases even food poisoning. Then all these questions are there. Last one I would like to discuss. When food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? आप क्या करते हो जब food आपके घर में spoil हो जाता है? When food gets spoiled in our house or in your house, we put it in storage bags and dump it in dustbin. For better disposal, we can put the spoiled food in compost pits for its decomposition into manure under natural conditions. Manure means खाद बनाने के लिए हम एक compost pit में डाल सकते हैं जितने भी food items हैं उनको. It is used in the agricultural field और वो agricultural field में use किया जाता है after that. Then BG returned the bread. Look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why BG returned it. How did she find that the bread had got spoiled? So its answer is BG returned the bread due to the following reasons. First is she might have read the expiry date mentioned on the wrapper. Then she got to know that the expiry date has already crossed. अगर कोई चीज़ की एक्सपायरी डेट आ गई हो तो हमें उसे नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए. Then second is she might have detected the spoilage of bread. Might भी उन्हें ये दिख गया हो कि bread ख़राब होने लगी है. She found out that the bread had got spoiled after seeing some brownish green colored thread-like structure growing on it. These structures are called fungi. Then what can we know from what is written on the packet and why you buy, when you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? Okay, packet पे क्या क्या written होता है? Here are the things. First is weight, then flavor, ingredients, maximum retail price, nutritional value, manufacturing date, expiry date, name of the manufacturing company, etc. Then when we buy anything from the market, we generally look for the following specifications: weight, flavor, MRP, nutritional value, expiry date. Our next topic was how does food get spoiled? Beta, listen carefully. This question, change in bread or roti, this you can do in your book if you have book, and if not, so you can do in notebook. Then these questions are find out the reason for these changes, from where did the fungus come on the bread, and then second is different kinds of food items spoil due to different reasons. Some foods spoil soon, some stay good for long. So I'm discussing their answers. First is the changes that can be seen in the bread slice are due to presence of moisture. Moisture की presence की वजह से वो changes हो सकते हैं. Moist bread, it is an excellent source of nutrition for fungus. Moist means जिसमें थोड़ा water का amount हो. Then fungus, they are tiny structures that keep floating in the air. You can write this answer in short also. Then second is some seasons and conditions in which food spoils quickly are listed down. First is rainy season having high moisture condition, and then second is summer season having high temperature condition. Then again this is match the following. You can do in your book if you have, otherwise in notebook. Here I have solved this match for you. I have written the answers in front of the food items like milk, उसका आएगा boil it, then cooked rice, and similarly we will go on. Then our topic was summer treat. Here are the questions. Why was sugar and jaggery mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun? They are mixed with the mango pulp to give it a sweet taste. The mixture was then dried in the sun to make a sweet sour tasting and thick snack aam papad. Then why did Appa first choose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making the mamidi tendra? Its answer is due to the following reasons. Ripest mangoes taste the sweetest, वो सबसे sweet होते हैं, मीठे होते हैं, and ripest mangoes have greater chances of spoilage. और जो ripest जो पके हुए mangoes होते हैं वो ज़्यादा जल्दी spoil हो जाते हैं. Okay, how did the brothers make the mamidi tendra? Write down step by step what they did for this. Then here I have written all the steps by which the boys made that. You can write these answers as per your convenience. It is not mandatory कि आपने यही answers लिखने हैं. These answers I am giving you just for your help. Then last is what things are made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes. Here I have written its answer: ripe mangoes, mango shake and squash, and unripe mangoes pickle and chutney. Apart from these अगर कुछ और भी items you want to write, you can. Last question is make a list of all the different types of pickles that you know about. Here I have written lemon pickle, sweet and sour. You can write more also. Here are some general questions. These answers you have to write by yourself. This was all. I hope this all was helpful for you people. Goodbye everyone. We will meet in our next lecture.